and welcome. I'm Jessica. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about an ebook I wrote, and it's called How to Successfully Jumpstart Your YouTube Channel, the Ins and Outs You Need to Know. So this is geared towards an audience that is wanting to start YouTube or perhaps has just started YouTube and they're trying to figure out how to grow their channel and what the best practices are for YouTube and things of that nature. So this ebook is 54 pages long and it has a ton of fantastic content in it. I've written it for the beginner mostly and put a few slightly more advanced techniques in there and touched on all sorts of things from thumbnails to idea planning to how to actually film the videos, how to do it on your cell phone, how to actually do the ins and outs of starting your YouTube channel. How about I go ahead and just tell you the chapters in the book. The first step, what goes into being a video creator on YouTube, what does it take to succeed, choosing your channel niche, goal setting, how our channel got started, setting up a YouTube channel, additional channel customization, coming up with video topics, when should you make videos, making videos on your cell phone, uploading to YouTube, SEO for YouTube, creating a great thumbnail, getting motivated, using YouTube to make money, verifying your YouTube account, YouTube partner program, tools to help you, YouTube and TV, confidence, lessons we've learned from our channel, and resources. So what I've tried to do is take a mix of actually tutorial style leading you through the steps to start the YouTube channel and mixing that with our experience as well. And I have some resource pages on additional videos and other things that would be of assistance to you. And actually the next couple of days, instead of our 3 at 3 business chats, I'm going to be replacing those with some YouTube related tutorials to be of assistance to you. And also Roy's out of town at the moment. He is doing a blacksmithing conference, so this is a great time to just delve into this topic a little more. We actually had a 2-hour entire live stream on the subject of YouTube and starting a channel. I'll put the link to that in the description below. So if you have any questions specifically pertaining to YouTube, let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And also feel free to check out the information on this ebook if you go to the link. The ebook's $10, by the way. And if you go to the link down in the description, there's actually some sample pages you can view there. There's lots of illustrations, there's lots of photographs to mix in with the text to give it a very vivid experience for you. So thank you for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next one.